Are you tired of constantly watching the crypto market go up and down? What if you could earn passive income even while you sleep? Welcome to the world of dual investment, a powerful tool from Binance that lets you earn yield without needing to trade. In today's video, we'll explore how it works, how to use it, and whether it's right for you. Binance Dual Investment is a yield-generating product that lets you earn returns based on two assets, typically Bitcoin or Ethereum, and your market prediction. You commit your crypto, set a target price and settlement date, and earn a high yield regardless of market volatility. Sounds good? Let's break it down. Let's say you subscribe to a sell-high product with Bitcoin. If BTC hits or exceeds the target price on the settlement date, you sell your BTC at that price and receive USDT plus interest. If it doesn't, you keep your BTC and still get paid interest. Either way, you win, depending on your market view. Here's why thousands use dual investment. High APYs, often 5% to 100% plus, depending on market. No trading required. Earn while you hold great tool in sideways markets. It's especially helpful if you already plan to sell or buy at specific prices. But wait, there are risks. You can't cancel once subscribed. Market could move against you. You might end up holding the other asset. This isn't a guaranteed profit tool. Think of it as a strategic tool, not a savings account. Subscribing is simple. Go to Binance, Earn, Dual Investment. Choose the coin, BTC, ETH, or others. Pick between sell high or buy low. Select target price, settlement date, and enter amount, confirm and subscribe done. Your passive income journey has begun. Here's what those terms mean. Target price, the price at which your crypto will be converted. Settlement date, the final date when the result is calculated. If market price, target price, sell high, you convert to stablecoin. If market price, target price, buy low, you acquire crypto at a discount. It's about setting expectations and planning accordingly. Strategy is key. Use sell high. If you think the price will rise and you're ready to convert to USDT, use buy low if you're aiming to accumulate crypto when the price dips. You can tailor the product to your view of the market, bullish or bearish. Want to continue earning? Enable auto-renew. It'll resubscribe your funds at maturity, or turn it off if you want to reassess. Either way, funds will settle automatically on the date. You don't need to do anything manually. To wrap up, Binance Dual Investment offers a creative way to earn passive income while holding your crypto. It's flexible, strategic, and powerful, but only if you understand the risks. If this video helped, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you never miss a crypto tutorial. And comment below, have you tried dual investment? What's your experience? Want more strategies to grow your crypto passively? Subscribe to Cash and Coffee and turn on notifications. We've got weekly tips, tools, and tutorials just like this one. Neat?